guys, it's Joe with Retro Manufacturing. We're out here at the 2024 Spring Carlisle event, celebrating 50 years with Carlisle events and our automotive friends in the industry, showcasing our classic car stereos, antennas, speakers, and accessories. Come check us out. We have plenty to show you.